alter ego refers to a corporation, organization, or other entity set up to provide a legal shield for the person actually controlling the operation. Proving that such an organization is a cover or alter ego for the real defendant breaks down that protection, but it can be difficult to prove complete control by an individual. In the case of corporations, proving one is an alter ego is one way of piercing the corporate veil. In a lawsuit complaint, it might be stated, pleaded, that the Hotshot Corporation was the alter ego of Joseph Snakeoil.